A double P L E, apple means save. B A double L, ball means gend. C A T, cat means billy. D O G, dog means kutta. E L E P H A N T, elephant means हाथी. F I S H, fish means मछली. G O A T, goat means बकरी. H E N, hen means मुर्गी. I C E C R E A M, ice cream means ice cream. J for joker, J O K E R, joker means joker. K for king, K I N G, king means raja. L for lion, L I O N, lion means शेर. M for mango, M A N G O, mango means आम. N for nose, N O S E, nose means नाक. O for owl, O W L, owl means उल्लू. P for parrot, P A double R O T, parrot means तोता. Q for queen, Q U double E N, queen means रानी. R for rabbit, R A double B I T, rabbit means खरगोश. S for school, S C H O L, school means school. T for train, T R I A N, train means रेलगाड़ी. U for umbrella, U M B R E double L A, umbrella means छाता. V for vegetable, V A Z I T A B L E, vegetable means सब्जी. W for watch, W A T C H, watch means घड़ी. X for x-ray means x-ray. Y for आँख, Y A K, आँख means आँख. Z for zebra, Z E B R A, zebra means zebra. A double P L E, apple means सेव. B for bat, B A T, bat means बल्ला. C for cat, C A T, cat means बिल्ली. D for dog, D O G, dog means कुत्ता. E for egg, E double G, egg means अंडा. F for fish, F I S H, fish means मछली. G for glass. 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 Glass means glass. H for hen. 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 Hen means murgi. I for ink. 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 Ink means ink. J for joker. JOKER. Joker means joker. K for king. 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 King means raja. L for lion. 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 Lion means sher. M for mango. 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 Mango means aam. N for nose. 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 Nose means naak. O for owl. 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 Owl means ullu. P for parrot. PARROT. Parrot means tota. Q for queen. 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 Queen means rani. R for rabbit. 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 Rabbit means खरगोश. S for school. 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 School means school. T for train. TRIAN. Train means रेलगाड़ी. U for umbrella. 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 Umbrella means छाता. V for vegetable. VEGITABLE. Vegetable means सब्जी. W for watch. 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 Watch means घड़ी. X for X-ray. X-ray means X-ray. Y for ark. YAK. Ark. Ark means ark. Z for zebra. ZEBRA. Zebra means zebra.